WWE Crown Jewel 2019 match card and result. 20-man Battle Royal. This Battle Royal included Sunil Singh, Mojo Rawley, Eric Rowan, R-Truth, Sin Cara, Brian Kendrick, Titus O'Neil, Tony Nese, Akira Tozawa, Shelton Benjamin, No Way Jose, Humberto Carrillo, Heath Slater, Cedric Alexander, Luke Harper, Eric Young, Drake Maverick, Andrade, Buddy Murphy, and Apollo Crews. The winner faces AJ Styles. The winner of the match was Humberto Carrillo. Brock Lesnar versus Cain Velasquez for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match is still the WWE Champion, Brock Lesnar. Tag Team World Cup Tournament. This tournament included the B Team, Heavy Machinery, The New Day, the Viking Raiders, Dolph Ziggler and Robert Roode, the Lucha House Party, Kurt Hawkins and Zack Ryder, the Revival, and the OC. The winners of the tournament were the OC. Mansoor versus Cesaro. The winner of this match was Mansoor. Braun Strowman versus Tyson Fury. The winner of the match was Tyson Fury by countout. AJ Styles versus Humberto Carrillo for the United States Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the United States Champion, was AJ Styles. Lacey Evans versus Natalya. The winner of the match was Natalya. Team Flair versus Team Hogan. Team Hogan was Ali, Shorty G, Ricochet, Rusev, and Roman Reigns. Team Flair was Randy Orton, King Corbin, Bobby Lashley, Shinsuke Nakamura, and Drew McIntyre. The winning team was Team Hogan. Seth Rollins versus The Fiend Bray Wyatt for the Universal Champion. The winner of the match and the new Universal Champion, The Fiend Bray Wyatt. That's all for the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.